If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. Hope you enjoyed my last recipe of dal vada, which were made in Kumaoni style. These vadas can be enjoyed with any chutney or dip of your choice. But there is one special chutney that is again from the beautiful hills of Kumaon. That's Flaxseed chutney or Alsi ki chutney. That goes well with these vadas. Before the recipe, let me tell you the benefits of consuming flaxseed or Alsi. These are high in omega-3 fats and also a rich source of dietary fiber. Both of these factors make them good for your health, like lower the risk of heart attack, helps in lowering the risk of cancer. It also lowers your bad cholesterol. But how do we eat flaxseed? It's not that good to eat. But this dip or sauce or chutney is the best way to consume flax seeds. Now let's start the recipe. Note down the ingredients to make flaxseed chutney. List is also given in description below. First of all, we need to dry roast these seeds on medium-low heat, stirring constantly. But these seeds have a tendency to splutter and fly over when they are being roasted. So to save yourself, so that you do not burn, cover it with a colander or a net like this. You can shake and dry roast them. About 5 to 6 minutes they are done. They turn a little dark in color. Let them cool down. When they are cool, put them in a blender or a mixie jar. Add an ample amount of lemon juice or nimbu ka ras. Because it's chutney, it needs to be sour and tangy. Add in salt or namak to taste, little bit of sugar to balance the tanginess of the lemon. Keto dieters or people who avoid sugar can add sugar substitute as well. Also add in green chilies to your taste. Avoid if you do not want these. And 1 cup of water or pani for each half cup of flax seeds. Because flax seeds upon grinding absorb a lot of water and it becomes thick and viscous. You may add more water if you want a thinner consistency of the chutney. I like it this thick. So enjoy your flaxseed chutney with vadas, pakoras, any snack. This even goes well with food, dal chawal, roti sabzi. Thanks for watching.